Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. If you guys are new, thanks for stopping by, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if not, welcome back to my channel. So me and my YouTube boo, Maya Galore, she's so freaking adorable and she's just so like bomb. So we decided to do like this African head wrap makeup inspired look, and this is the one that I chose. I had it laying around in my room. I got really inspired by the colors and I wanted to do something that was like blue and yellow. You guys please excuse my phone. My phone is just always going off. Let me solve this for a second. Yeah, so I'll link her video down in the description box, and I also put it in one of the cards up here. Be sure to check that out once you guys are done viewing my video, and also like subscribe to her channel for some like, you know, bomb content. And I hope you guys like this look. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. So the first shade I'm starting off with is this shade called Casablanca from the Masquerade palette from Juvias Place, and I'm going to be using that as my brow bone highlight. Sometimes I do this step before, or sometimes I do this step after I do all my crease colors. Now I'm going to the Zulu palette, and I'm taking this bright yellow shade, and I'm using that as my first transition shade. Now I'm going to be taking this orange shade that's right next to it. I'm going to be placing that right below that yellow shade that I just put down. Now I'm taking this brown shade from that same palette. I'm going to be placing it right below that orange, but in my outer V area. Going into my 3502 palette, taking this brown shade called Brave, and I'm going to be putting that in my outer V as well. Now I'm taking this shade called Brunette, and I'm going to use that to further deepen up that outer V area. And now I'm just going to be taking my Ambrosia FX Eye base, and I'm going to be using that to create my cut crease. And I'm going for like the elongated cut crease look because I wanted that, like, I guess elongated eye. That's what I'm trying to, yeah, that's what I was trying to go for. Going back into the Masquerade palette, taking this blue shade called Dalia, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid. And now I'm taking these glitters. One is from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just using that to outline where I want to put my glitter down. And that second glitter that I'm using is this Ruby Kisses glitter, and I'm going to use that to top it off just to give it that extra flair. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus primer, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. I did go ahead and finish my eyes off camera, and I went ahead, lined my lids, and applied my lashes. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the color Deep Bronze, and I'm going to start putting it down all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques Diamond Beauty Blender. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to be using this to highlight my face. Part of this clip did get cut off, so y'all did not see me highlighting the rest of my face and then doing my contour, but that's okay because y'all seen that in all my other videos. So yeah. Now I did go ahead and finish my face off camera. Now I'm taking this shade called Zola from that same palette, and it's a light blue shade, and I'm just placing it in my inner tear duct. Taking this yellow from the Zulu palette, I'm going to be pasting that or smudging that out on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. gel liner, and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline. Taking my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and my Benefit They're Real Mascara, and I'm just going to be putting this on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. And now for my blush, I'm taking this Black Radiance blush in the shade Toasted Almond, and I'll be putting this on the apples of my cheek. Setting my face with my Mario Badescu spray, and I'm going back to my Old Faithful, which is my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter, and I'm just going to be highlighting my face with that. And for my lips, I will be trying something new today. I'm using this NYX lip liner in the shade or in the color Black Lips, and I'm taking my Izme lip gloss in the color Melissa, and I'll be putting that all over my lips. So that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really had fun coming up with this look, and I also had fun collaborating with my girl Maya. And like I said, make sure y'all check her video out. Her link will be listed down in the description box. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box as well. And until then, I will see you guys in my next one.